Diagnosis and design, the perfect combination. Thanks to its innovative ITO coating, the elegantly framed glass diagnostic scale made from safety glass does not require electrodes to be applied for any function. The blue LCD display with white digits is divided into 2 sections and is operated via modern sensor buttons. As well as measuring body weight, the glass diagnostic scale also calculates body fat, body water, and muscle content in steps of 0.1%, as well as bone mass in 100-gram steps. In addition, it calculates the basal metabolic rate, BMR, and active metabolic rate, AMR, in kilocalories. The BF750 with memory spaces for 10 users is suitable for 150 kilogram capacity and features an athlete mode with 5 activity levels, automatic switch off, and an overload indicator. The perfect way to keep an eye on weight development, the BF750 Diagnostic Scale.